Now we need to add some icons to actually bring out the beauty more. So we just go to insert and we go to illustrations, we go to shapes and we go to icons. So make sure you have your internet turned on. So here we're going to search for analytics. So search for analytics, I have this. I can just take some random ones from here. So if I need something like this, we definitely go to just scroll down a little bit. You can find a lot of them. So just choose some random one and test it out and see which one best fits what you're doing. So that conveys exactly what it is that you want. So we just go this way, searching. So let's go with this as well. So with the 3 selected, don't actually confirm it now. So go ahead and take this off and search for money. So search for money and let us look for what can actually best explain. Okay, do we have any here? None. So I want to use another search term. So I'm going to say give. So give. Okay, I'm going to go with this particular give here. So that shows that somebody is actually giving something to someone. That is going to be for our return. So the next one now is going to be truck. So truck. I am going to go with something like this that conveys goods, or this one. I'm going to choose which one best explain what I want. Let us go with cars and see on that one. So which one best explains what is conveying something? Okay, what if I go with goals? So we have something like this. So for goals, like for a product and stuff like that. So now with this 7, I think I'm gonna be cool with this. So just go ahead and click on OK. So it's downloading the picture into our Excel worksheet. It's taking too much. So an error occurred. So here we go. No error occurred. It's just some kind of error from the system. So we just have to, make it a bit smaller. Step off, spread them off individually. And here we go. We have them. So here for my order, I want to go ahead and use something like this. And for this one average, order here, I think I should have gotten all of them a bit more cranked up wherever. So we're going to do them in a jiffy. So now I'm going to have to move this one here, which actually says this is my return order. Somebody's giving me something. So now here we're going to go for our revenue. Going to have this right here and our gross profit. Make sure you actually take something that is actually going up. So it's growing. So the profit is going up, is not actually coming down. So we go ahead and hold our control key to select all those 5 icons here. And I'm going to have to just do this. Wow, nicely done. So we just move them up a bit. So here we go, we'll release them. So once we are done, I'm cool with those colors we have for those ones here. I don't actually need this one, I'm going to get it off. So I have to change the color to this one with my control 1. I have that done. Here we go. So we use something a bit more cool. That is too much. So nicely done. So now you can look at this. With this icon here, we are perfectly okay with this. How about this? So, I spend a lot of time on my dashboard. You just have to spend a lot of time on yours as well to adjust things around in order to make it some kind of very beautiful the way you really want it to go. So don't just drop your values on the dashboard and think it's gonna look so fine. You might have the best back end, like the best analysis, the best code, dark code ever, everything to pull out the values you want accordingly. But if you have poor way of telling the story, you are going to actually lost out right on that part. So you just have to take your time to do this.